Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 56 of building the 1966 Batmobile. In this issue, we're building the remote control for operating the features. I prefer having a remote rather than having to lean into the car and press pedals and things because that's always difficult. So it's nice to have that. We're still dealing with the Joker in issue 56, in episode 56. Still season 2. Loads of episodes in each season of these. When was this? This was November 17th, 1966. So there we go. So yes, there we go. November. We're getting 56 if it obviously wasn't weekly. Let me just check. I haven't been paying attention to the times on these. But, let's have a look. So we've got 55. First aired November 16th. So it was the day after. So this was a daily serial, was it? That's interesting. So yeah, that's good. So there we go. Anyway, this is I say more Joker. Joker's Provokers. Stuff, the one where Batman ponders the nature of time. He dealt with the clockmaker before. That was more. So there we go. The Dead Yet Live. And Batman in 89. Back to the more traditional art styles, though. It's very strange. There we go. Batman, Gotham by Gaslight. We're at Gotham by Gaslight. Things. Why, Packer, did you kill all those women? Oh. Go. So, yes, this is what we've got now. The remote control you'll use to operate the electronic features of your model. No screws revolved in this. It all just snaps together. We've got the buttons to put into on the circuit board. Flip it in and then supply. Not a supplied battery. You have to supply your own battery. Put it in there, and then we've got that working. So we'll figure out what all the buttons are going to do. Interesting to have a volume control. That's unusual. But right, let's clear it out of the way. Let's get this remote built. So what we have is our selection of buttons. So we've got power, volume up and down, key, obviously the ignition, start it, horn, lights, dim, top light, computer or symbol, some sort of radar dish, maybe, and left and right. I don't know about left and right. But anyway, that pops onto there. They will come through the front. Circuit itself is obviously lots of touch sensitive buttons. More than there are buttons. That's interesting. There's 3 down the bottom there that are not being used. Very strange. That fits over the top there. When the buttons obviously make the way it works, there is what's these are like a carbon backed rubber. So that will basically just make contact against the little contacts on there. So that goes on there. That goes on there. Down the bottom here, we've got a spring going this way, which will contact against the negative terminal of the battery. And that one, which will contact against the edge, which is the positive side. That goes together, thusly. All done. Buttons are all free and working. One in the middle that's not labelled with anything, so probably doesn't do anything. So then that will slide in there like that. That will be working. It's not got any bulbs or infrared or anything, so it's obviously some sort of either radio frequency or ultrasonic. There's no speaker or anything on there. So it's obviously sending out some sort of signal, which the car will pick up and do whatever it does when you push the buttons. So that's that. Nothing to operate as yet because I haven't got any batteries in the car and I don't think it's got anything else in there. So we'll try that another time. But for now, I shall put that away. That is the end of this box. So we'll wait until the next box arrives and we'll figure out what we've got to do with that. So thank you for watching this. Do enjoy the rest of the series that's in the past and coming up in the next month or so. And other part works happening all the time anyway. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.